Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So you guys, today I am working with XrsBeautyHair. This is the wig that they sent me. This is a 18-inch 200% density 13x6 lace. And you guys, I did install this hair and I curled it, but y'all, let me tell y'all, I have bad luck with curls. I used this curling iron again, and I don't know if I need a smaller curling iron, but it's like my curls always fall. No matter how much holding spray that I use, my curls always fall. And I'm really starting to blame this because the barrel is, I think, 2 inches. I need an inch because I like my curls and they just won't stick. Y'all gonna see like towards the end of the video how beautiful they were, especially on this side. And it's like my sides never match. So that's why I got this one tucked behind my ear, because it's like when I took them at the clips, they fell like almost immediately. Anyways, I'm gonna try again once I get me a smaller barrel curling iron, and I'm gonna keep y'all updated on what the results are. They sent me a bunch of goodies in the box. I have a 2-pack wig cap, brand new edge control brush with the little spatula thing on end. I love this thing because it makes my glue application like flawless. Another wide tooth comb. This one is clear. Well, white. It's white. And we have some flexi rods. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and give me some tips on what I can do to make my curls last. Is it a different holding spray that I need? Something. Let me know something. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love y'all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Hey y'all, so y'all know I gotta show you guys how the wig is constructed right out the pack. We have a clip in the back. We have 2 clips on the side, we have the drawstring, and we have the detachable wig band. The lace is supposed to be undetectable and it's supposed to melt to freaking perfection. Y'all, the wig already came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, all that good stuff. Well, I don't even think it's pre-plucked. I just think that's just how the lace is. But this is the wig band on the wig, and you can adjust the tightness on it. I like it on the tightest setting because I know that it's not going nowhere, and I really like my wigs to be snug and tight on my head. So yeah, I'm cutting off my side walls to make the wig fit a little bit better. You don't want your wig to overlap your ears because it's just, for one, it's uncomfortable. For 2, it's going to cause your lace to lift. So yeah, make sure you customizing your wig to fit your ears. I did a little demonstration for y'all. I took some of my even spray and I put a sample of this lace right on top, and y'all, as you can see, you can literally see my green veins from my hand through the lace. So this lace is the real deal, okay? And I had to do the ball cap method because I'm like, as transparent as this lace is, I couldn't risk it. I couldn't risk not doing a ball cap method and only having a wig cap. That mug would have showed right through the freaking lace. Anyways, I'm starting off with my install process, and I combed all my hair back with my hot comb on 430 degrees, and now I'm just taking a really thick layer of bold hold glue. I used a thick layer this time because I didn't feel like waiting for 2 layers to dry, so I put a thicker layer. Okay, don't do this because you're gonna see in a minute. Okay, my freaking glue turned white as soon as I took my melt band off, and I mean, it's an easy fix, but still it's a pain in the ass. Okay, you don't want to do that. So I'm just spreading it out with my little edge brush spatula duo, and I'm just making sure that everything is spreaded evenly so it can dry evenly, right? My little white fan with cool air, because that's what dries your glue down the fastest, not heat. Heat actually melts your glue. You don't want it to melt your glue. You want it to dry down your glue so it can be nice and tacky for you to put this lace right on top. So I do use a little fine tooth comb to comb my lace into the glue so that it can be stuck. You want it to be stuck. You want your lace to be directly on the glue. Going in with my wax stick and my hot comb duo again, and I'm just making sure the top of my wig is as flat as possible. I don't like the bumpy look. I hate it. So I go over, it literally take me like 10 minutes to do this, and that I'm not saying it as that's like a short time. I literally take my time when I do this because I don't like it to look bumpy at the top. So taking off my belt band, and you can automatically see the glue, where the glue didn't dry clear all the way. So that's the easy fix though. You just take a little bit of makeup and some lace melting spray right on top, and it goes away. So I'm just cutting off my excess lace. Even though you can't see it, it's there, baby. I did want to do some cute body wave curls. I saw this style on TikTok, and I'm like, I have to try that. A middle part with some body wave curls. That's not a normal go-to hairstyle for me, because I don't even really like a middle part on myself. I feel like it makes my face look really long and I just hate it. So yeah, I decided on a middle part with some body wave curls. I finally got some holding spray. This is by Suave, and it's Max Hold Spray. I don't think it really worked. Y'all, I don't really think these holding sprays be working, because every time I get a new one, they all do the same thing. So I'm just on a hunt for a really good holding spray. If you have any suggestions, or if you have found anything that have worked for you, please let me know. I've tried the Got to Be Free spray. I've tried the Eben spray. I've tried this new spray. My husband has some holding spray in his barber collection. I even tried that. Nothing will work. At this point, I feel like I'm the problem, because my curls will not stay for nothing. No matter what wig I put on and curly, is just me. Okay, I'm gonna get it together though. So I'm literally using my 2-inch curling iron, and I'm just making some really cute body wave curls, and I'm just clipping them up, you know, because they say to clip them up so that they can set in place, right? I did use a wide tooth comb to comb my curls back, and my curls were initially beautiful. Like, they came out so freaking cute. And especially with the wide tooth comb, use a wide tooth comb or use your fingers. You don't want to use a fine tooth comb on these type of curls, because they're going to fall. As you can see, my sides don't even freaking match. So this is the final result. I did end up going in one last time in the front of this wig, child, because I'm like, this is gonna work. It has to, because the rest of the curls are so beautiful, but it's like really flat in that area. But you know what? I think it's because I used the under method instead of the over. Next time, I'm gonna use the over method. We're gonna see how that change. Anyways, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. I still think it looks really, really beautiful. Comment down below and tell me what you think. Again, this is from XrsBeautyHair. All the links for this wig is in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.